In a dense forest, a weathered wolf with missing teeth stands victorious over a younger, stronger rival. This scene challenges our assumption that more resources guarantee success. The elder wolf's strategic precision proves that effectiveness isn't about quantity, but mastery of what you have. Society conditions us to believe abundance equals power. We see athletes collecting gear, businesses hoarding data, artists amassing tools, all assuming quantity improves results. But like the young wolf collecting shed teeth, we're missing the truth. Unstrategic accumulation creates clutter, not competence. Observe the overburdened wolf attempting to hunt with too many teeth. His jaw moves awkwardly, his bites lack precision. This mirrors how professionals drown in unused software features, or athletes falter under excessive equipment choices. More options create decision fatigue, reducing effectiveness. The scarred elder demonstrates hunting with just 3 remaining teeth. He adjusts his angle, leverages body weight, and strikes where it matters. This mirrors master chefs using one knife for everything, or programmers coding elegantly with limited frameworks. Constraints breed creativity and precision. In a bustling restaurant kitchen, observe 2 chefs. One struggles with 20 specialized knives, another excels with just 3 versatile blades. The latter develops deeper familiarity, better maintenance habits, and adapts techniques to the tool rather than seeking new gadgets. Like the wolf, their skill lies in application. A tech startup with limited funding outmaneuvers a resource-rich corporation by focusing their bite, perfecting one feature instead of diluting across 10. Like the elder wolf, they identify precise pressure points. Their constrained budget forces better decisions, proving strategy beats sprawl. First, every tool has multiple functions if you study it deeply. A chef's knife can peel, crush, and scale. Second, limitations reveal essentials. The wolf's missing teeth forced better technique. Third, overcollection creates false security. The young wolf's tooth pile provided no actual skill. Pause and consider, what underused teeth do you possess? That language app abandoned after a week? The gym membership gathering dust? Like the elder wolf's adapted techniques, mastery comes from consistent application of existing tools, not perpetual seeking of new ones. 3 actionable steps. First, tooth mapping. List all your current resources. Second, pressure testing. Use each tool in 3 unexpected ways this week. Third, strategic gaps. Intentionally remove 1 extra to force better use of what remains. Remember, the wolf didn't regrow teeth, he reimagined his bite. We revisit the opening scene, now understanding the elder wolf's missing teeth aren't weaknesses, but honed weapons. His victory wasn't despite having less, but because of it. The final frame shows him teaching pups, not to collect more teeth, but to discover how deeply they can bite with what they inherit.